Hello everyone, back to school time. Today I will show you how to cover your school books easily. Let's begin. You will need a pair of scissors, brown paper or transparent sheet, sellotape and the book you want to cover. Now cut the brown paper to the size, leaving an inch on all sides to fold. Make markings to cut and fold both edges to make center groove. Mark on the long edge of the book. Fold the edge to the cover of the book and secure it with a piece of sellotape. Repeat the process for the next side as well. Next, fold the sides and the corners. Secure with sellotape. Repeat the process for the remaining 3 sides. There you go, your book is now covered. Thank you.